One of the oldest known farming settlements in the world is a village called Katahoyek. It stood in present-day Turkey more than 8,000 years ago. At its height, up to 6,000 people may have lived in Katahoyek. The environment provided sources of water and building materials. A British archaeologist described the two-story homes that made up the settlement. This is a primary source. The houses of Katahoyek were so tightly packed together that there were few or no streets. Access to interior spaces was across roofs, which had been made of wood and reeds plastered with mud, and downstairs. People buried their dead beneath the floors. Above all, the interiors were rich with artwork, which were mural paintings, reliefs, and sculptures, including images of women that some interpreted as evidence for a cult of a mother goddess. Each home had its own kitchen and food storage area. The people grew grains and raised flocks of sheep and goats.